love, we are bound to reach the shore of bliss. Through love, we must seek to serve all and enjoy the divine bliss. When you embark on service with the Spirit, the whole world becomes your home. Namasmarana is the easiest path to God realization. It is the boat that will take people across the ocean of mundane existence. Constant contemplation on the form of the Lord and frequent repetition of His name are the means by which the heart is filled with love of God. We are all containers of divine love. Share it, spread it, and express that love in acts of service, words of sympathy, and thoughts of compassion, says Samartha Sadguru Shirdi Sai Baba. Respected MLA, Mr. Sunil Kumar, respected Sudhakar Shetty, respected KPS Shane, and all the distinguished guests on the dais, respected ladies and gentlemen. Amit Pai's birthday remembrance day. Amit was a wonder kid, incredible and amazing. Very intelligent, smart, brilliant, bright. He participated all the activities of the school and won several awards, rewards, and accreditation. And he made proud to his parents, to his teachers, and to all his friends. And he won their heart and became a hero. How did he do this? He had tremendous self-confidence and extraordinary willpower. He followed what Swami Vivekananda said. You have all the powers within you. You can do anything and everything. Believe in this. Do not believe that you are weak. Stand up and show that divinity within yourself. This world belongs to the heroes. This earth is enjoyed by the heroes. It is the unfailing truth. Be a hero. Do not fear. Fear is death. Fear is hell. Fear is sin. Fear is unrighteousness. Fear is wrong life. All the negative thoughts and the ideas that are in this world have proceeded from the evil spirit of fear. So Amit was a very courageous, bold, strong, daring, dashing, and dynamic kid. That's how he could proceed and do tremendous progress within a short period. So he set an example for all other children to follow him. Such a wonder kid he was. He never designed his character like a garden where everybody can visit. He designed his character like a sky where everybody aspires, everybody desires, everybody wants to reach. Such a wonder kid he was. In his memory, his father, Srinivas Pai, and mother, Nirmala Pai, they have built this monument. This is a masterpiece. They strived, they strained their every nerve. They left no stone unturned to build this. They built this from their sweat and blood. There is love everywhere here, and you can feel Amit Pai's presence in this entire building. Such was the dedication and devotion the parents did that only shows their love for their kid. I am sure they have reconciled themselves and accepted the God's verdict. So there is no way out for them. But at the end they have reconciled. As Mr. Sunil Kumar said, that this Jnana Mandir produce hundreds of Amit Pais. Because here such a facility is there, this gives us lot of peace, happiness, solace. So more and more people should come and utilize this facility. Today I am telling all of you that give your kid good training. Give them all the discipline in life because they are the future generation of our country and the future is in their hands. So education and good character, they are very important in our life. They are the two sides of a coin. Both is required. Education without any discipline is of no use. So give your children good education and make them the worthy citizens of this country. I am very grateful and thankful to Srinivas Pai and Nirmala Pai for having invited me and given me an opportunity to address the audience. I thank you from the depth of my heart for giving me a patient hearing. And I pray Karkala Venkatramana Swami and Samartha Sadguru Shirdi Sai Baba to bless all of you bountifully and abundantly and bestow on you good health, peace, happiness, and prosperity, our infinite joy, everlasting contentment, invaluable peace and happiness, long life, and exceptional health. Sarve jana sukhino bhavantu, loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Thank you.